We are here. 150K challenge completed. I'm just so grateful to God for this journey. Thankful to you guys for the support as well. But yeah, mission accomplished. Let's go through all the figures as I said in the last video. I just want to be fully transparent with you guys. A lot of people in this industry want to pump up that they're doing things that they're not. And so yeah, transparency is key. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly scroll down so you can see the total amounts. We just had our last TopStep payout come through. $32,000. You can see the total transactions that we've had. So TopStep is the only prop firm coming through on Wise. And then on Rise, we've basically got a mixture of MyFunded Futures, MyFundedNext, and Tradify. So Tradify have been the last ones. These were almost daily, as you can see. A lot of these coming out like the very next day. So yeah, the daily plans on Tradify are incredible. If you're having 5 accounts running with these, insane. I'll scroll down so you can see the total transactions on these as well. So what I'm going to do, unfortunately, Rise doesn't have an export feature, but I can actually export on Wise. So what I'm going to do is just make sure these filters are set up to capture this whole thing. I'm going to download the PDF, upload it into Grok, and then I'm just going to screenshot these Rise payments, paste them into Grok as well, and just let Grok do all the calculations. I've shown all the receipts. Again, transparency is key. So I'm going to do that, upload it to Grok, let Grok give us the final figure, and basically discuss about what's happening next for the channel, direction moving forward, and some exciting news coming up. Let me download these docs, get these screenshots ready, and I'll join you after that's all sorted. Okay, so I'm going from the start of the transactions, which is September 2024, but it's not letting me. So what I'm going to do is zoom out as great as I can. It looks not unreadable. That looks okay. What I'm going to do is just copy and paste these screenshots. So up until the 23rd of, just going to paste this into Grok, 23rd of April. Quick, get that out. Just about one more and love chart. It's 23rd of April is where we're at. One more transaction to include. I'm just going to run in Grok, calculate the total in the screenshots. Transaction please is a calculate the total. So while that's happening, basically, if I scroll back up, reset this, you'll see these 3 in February this year were in USD. So I just wanted to convert to Australian as every other transaction is in AUD. And then we're just literally going to do the same for Rise here. So I'm going to zoom out as much as I can. From March till May. I'm not going to say. Now, please do the same. This stream, however, all totals are in USD. Please convert to AUD and add to the previous. Okay, cool. So that's up until May 1st. Which May 1st, though? Let me just quickly check. So 1, 2 May 1st transactions, you can see here. So 1, 2 included, it's the 3rd one down. Okay, cool. Copy these, paste this in here, hit enter as well. So that's just from TopStep alone. We're sitting at $129,870 AUD. And then now we'll add the Wise calculation. So you can see here, it's actually got the full split rather than me doing all the calculations itself. Okay, so that's the first screenshot. And then this is the second screenshot. So you can see here, 33,962, $48,362 converted to Australian dollars. So combined, we're sitting at $178,232 Australian. Insane. I'm just so grateful to God to be in this position. Starting from September 2024, as you can see, that's where we had the first payout here, coming up into here. So what's that? About a year and 6 months, give or take. Probably a little bit more. Yeah, exactly pretty much a year and 6 months to be sitting at sort of 178. So I'm just going to say convert 178 232. So that total was 125,000 USD. Pretty close to hitting 150K USD there as well. So yeah, truly blessed that we've hit this milestone. Next steps now for the channel is really to run this up. We're going to expand to 250K now is the new target. After 250K, obviously 500K. And then from there, right to $1 million. But yeah, already, banked up at 1/8 of that total right now, USD as well. So yeah, really stoked, really excited for what the future has to hold. But basically, to top off this video, just wanted to highlight two bits of exciting news as well. Actually, I'll do that next video. I think for now, we'll just celebrate the fact that we've hit the milestone. We're obviously pushing for 250K next. Yeah, we do have some exciting news to share as well coming up in a future video. But yeah, really, I want to start pumping the channel now. Really want to introduce live streams, want to introduce my take on prop firms. I feel like now with the receipts, I am able to speak on them in a way that's coming from not just speculation, but having actually been there and seen results. So yeah, I think I've just been dealing with a lot of imposter syndrome recently, being like, do I have the right to speak on these things? Do I have the right to make these videos? But yeah, I think this is just evidence and a bit more confidence in myself that like, I do know somewhat what I'm doing in this industry. Again, glory to God, all glory goes back to him at the end of the day. Yeah, I really just want to educate and help people achieve this as well and prove that look, a year and 6 months ago, I hadn't achieved one payout, and now we're sitting here. So if I can do it, why can't you? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, thank you so much for the support. 150K challenge completed, on to 250K and better things to come. Thanks so much for the support, and we'll see you guys next video. Peace.